Well, hello, I'm meteorologist Mark Avery with the National Weather Service in Glasgow, Montana, and today we're going to talk about how severe weather is related to cooking. Now, you're probably wondering, okay, how is that connected? Well, in order to go from severe weather, from an outlook to a warning, it's very similar to starting off with a recipe for an item. I'm going to make spaghetti sauce in this case, to spaghetti sauce watch, to spaghetti sauce warning. So, in the convective process, the Storm Prediction Center Norman, Oklahoma puts out convective outlooks for up to a week in advance to let you know there's a threat of severe weather. Now, when you're coming to cooking, that's the equivalent of having a recipe card. You know you need these items and you need them in these portions to make whatever it is that you're making. In my case, I'm making spaghetti sauce. Now, a watch, well, back up for a minute. When we're in that outlook part, that's when you start looking at, okay, what do I need to do in case there's actually some bad weather on the way? Look around your yard, see if there's anything out there that could be flying if it's picked up by strong winds. Kids' toys, for example, lawn furniture, cars or trucks or vehicles to put into a garage to protect them from hail, things like that. And know where to do it when you need to do it. Now, we go from that to once you get all the ingredients out on the counter, after you've gone to the grocery store during the outlook part. Once you go to the grocery store, you get them all on the counter, you have everything set out, you're ready to cook, you have now issued, or I'm going to issue, a spaghetti sauce watch. All my ingredients are sitting on the counter, they're ready to go and make spaghetti sauce. At this point in the severe weather process, you have all the ingredients: moisture, strong winds in the upper atmosphere, strong winds and heat at the surface. All the ingredients are there, but they haven't made anything just yet. So I put on my sauce, I'll put all my stuff on the stove, start cooking it, and give it about an hour or so to simmer and do its cooking, and got all the ingredients in there. And once it's done, I'm now issuing a spaghetti sauce warning. At this point in severe weather, you're looking at a severe thunderstorm or tornado warning. Severe thunderstorms have winds that are 58 miles an hour or higher. They have hail that's bigger than quarters, or quarter size or bigger. Tornado warnings, they also have tornadoes in addition to the strong straight line winds, as well as the hail potential. And that's when we as meteorologists issue a tornado or severe thunderstorm warning, depending on what we see on the radar. So that's your relationship between convective outlooks, convective watches and warnings, and cooking with meteorologists.